ready to learn about this Kraken car wash?
Okay, let's see. What is this?
This is a giant car wash. Want to see the car? Oh!
It comes with a cool car?
Yeah.
Okay, come down here and show me some stuff. So what's this part? Is this the elevator?
Yeah, it's the elevator for cars. Wow.
Oh, wow. So it goes up? Okay, but there's some stuff we got to do to set this up, isn't there? So before that goes in, sweetheart, I think we got to put hot water goes in this tank.
Yeah, let's do that before.
Okay, so you want to pour in some hot water here?
Yeah.
Okay. There's the hot. Okay. And it slides right in here.
Will it be able to dunk the car?
I'm going to have to put you guys down for a second. Okay, that's it. And now the next part is this big Kraken. He needs ice cubes. And here we got some. So, Kashton, you put some ice cubes in there, buddy?
After my mom cracks them up.
Okay, well, just dump them out. That's fine. Woo! Ice cubes everywhere. Let's count and see how many we can fit in this guy's head.
1, 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now we need cold water. Where can we find cold water, buddy?
From the house.
That's a great idea.
Want to watch this, kids?
Sure. Okay, he's turned the hose on. And now we just need a little bit of cold water in here. So, just a little bit. That's lots, okay? Now we'll turn it off. Okay, we'll shut the lid. Now, this is cool. This is a color changing car. And we're gonna see what he does. Here, buddy, let's take a look. So the Hot Wheels car is in the spot. Going up the elevator.
Ah, spider.
We see a spider? Where?
On the car wash.
Oh
That was on
no.
the glass.
Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen next.
After it goes up.
Okay. It lands in here. And then what do we do? Push it down into the hot.
Huh? What? It's not dipping.
It's not. Do we need another cup of hot, maybe?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. Run to the bathroom and get some hot water. Go.
You know what would be really fun, kids? Getting them all mucky.
Oh, first let's change them. Let's watch this guy change color because we never got to see how the color change works.
The elevator went up and...
Okay. Now we got water in this part. It's really hot.
It's white now.
Okay, the car turns white. Then what happens?
It goes into the dryer.
Okay.
Now it goes here and that. It's in. Oh wait. So, kids, let's fix it.
Okay. Whoa! Then where does it land?
There.
Into the Kraken. Okay, there's a little lever there that's spraying. So let's see what happens.
It's not coming out.
Oh no! Let's see some cold water. I know what we could do. Let's put an ice cube on him. Let's see if he changes. Let's take some cold water from the hose and maybe put him in there.
Why do you put an ice cube on them?
See, watch. We just need to get him cold. Let's just take him and put him right in the Kraken's head. That's a good idea. Is he changing?
Like it.
Looks like he's starting to change. He's supposed to turn blue and cold. Do you think he's changing blue?
Yeah.
You know what I think happened, buddy? We've used this toy toy so many times that I think a little bit of dirt is caught in the sprayers, and now this Kraken sprayer doesn't work. Oh, kind of does, but not very well. So now we know we can't get dirt stuck in these tentacles. Okay, so what happens next? Pretend it worked, and then what would we do?
Just did thing so important. This thing.
Okay, then what do we do?
It comes out.
That's pretty cool.
Then it's gonna be fixed.
Okay.
It rides off the road. What?
And who's over here? Little Ivy, what are you up to? Playing with water? A cool water table. Hey, miss. Hey, what if we got some cars really dirty and we sent them through this Hot Wheels car wash?
Yeah.
In the garden?
Yeah.
Would that be fun? Okay, do you have any Hot Wheels cars we could get dirty?
Yeah, some more.
Okay, let's see. Where are they, bud? Oh, I think they might be over here. Oh, a whole bunch of Hot Wheels. Whoa. Which one should we try and get dirty? Which ones don't you care about getting dirty?
Let's go pee. Oh, I think there's some Hot Wheels that would work.
Okay, which one should we get dirty? And then test out this car wash.
What? More Lego?
We accidentally found Lego in this bin? Okay, let's choose a few. Maybe we could choose...
No,
Not police cars?
Too heavy.
Okay, let's just grab some and we're going to bring them to get dirty and then we're going to wash them. And we learned that if you ever get dirt into this guy's head, that it will clog up these tentacles and then your sprayers will not work. So, well, of course they work now, but they won't work as good. So if you have this toy at home, I'd be very careful about getting dirt in that Kraken's head. Otherwise, this thing works pretty well. And if you don't have to just use color changing cars, if you have any other cars at home, you could use any of them. Cash is having a hard time deciding which one he wants to get dirty, though.
Yeah, I can't find the right one.
Well, it doesn't have to be a right one. It could be any one.
Whoa, here's the one it came with.
Okay, let's get him dirty.
I think this one came with my other lamp.
It did. That one came with your Hot Wheels transporter truck.
Well,
Are we gonna get them? Are we gonna get a few dirty and then see if they get clean?
so let's get this one dirty.
Okay, let's take a few, and then we'll test them all out and see if.
Let's get this one first.
Okay, I think we're gonna need to plant.
I hear a helicopter.
Cash, here's a helicopter. Do you guys see a helicopter anywhere?
Do you?
I don't. Maybe it's in the. Maybe we'll see it soon.
Soon?
Oh, maybe it's too far in the distance.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's get back to what we're doing. What are these cars doing?
Let's test them if any will go up.
Okay. Are they getting dirty?
Whoa.
Ooh, mucky dirt. And then we'll see how clean this car wash can actually get them. We'll test how good it works. Ooh, mud. This guy's really gonna need a wash. Okay. Are they dirty enough to be tested?
Whoa. This one's the dirtiest.
Okay, let's test the dirtiest guy. Let's do it. Whoa, we hear that helicopter again.
It sounded like an airplane.
Okay. Let's check this
Now
out.
I hear a helicopter.
Oh, you guys, we see it.
It came from those trees.
That's a real helicopter, you guys.
It looks small because it's far in the distance.
Yeah, and it looks really small because it's far in the distance. But
It
boy,
might be a rescue one with a hook.
it could be a rescue one with a hook.
Well, let's just say goodbye to the helicopter. Bye, helicopter! Now let's put this car here.
Okay, this really dirty guy. Oh my, I wonder if we're even going to get him clean or not.
Me too. I wonder.
Okay, this is
The
the
elevator's really
first
dirty.
step of clean is the hot. Nope, no dirt came off there. Doop.
Dryers.
Dryers. Maybe if that doesn't work, maybe we could put them in your sister's water table. Maybe we could get them
Actually,
good.
my water table.
Oh.
Don't talk about babies, remember? Never talk about babies, right?
Is he stuck in there, buddy?
Need it to be good.
Okay. Well, you know what? Let's just skip that.
No dirt came off there.
No dirt came off. So I guess this isn't the best for washing cars. I think it works the best for the ones it comes with, these color changing ones. This one changes from white to blue, but some of them change from like green to yellow and a few other different colors, and then you can buy add-ons with this set. So there's a bunch of different add-on color changing cars, and they're really fun in the bathtub too if you want to play with cold and hot water. Let's see if this water's cold. No, not cold enough to change it to dark blue. I think it needs to be like ice water. Let's throw it in. Let's see if I can aim it. Cash is still working hard trying to get this first car clean, but he is having a hard time.
The best way is the water table.
Okay, let's try this out. Hey, I know. What if we scoop some in here and I could have rain coming down on them? Like a little nice shower. That's cool. Hey, this is our own car wash. You don't need this, you just need a water table.
That one's really pretty.
Okay, where are we going to put the clean ones? Just there on the grass?
Yeah.
Okay, how are we going to clean your next one? What's your plan?
The car wash.
The car wash again?
Yeah, I love the car wash.
Okay, Kashton loves this car wash. Little sister's grumpy. Here he goes up to the 4th floor.
This
And
isn't a
down.
floor, it's a road. Silly.
Silly Bob. Okay, we're doing a dip. Holy, do you see how dirty that water is just after the one car we put through?
Yeah.
Hey, this guy looks clean. That worked better. Maybe he wasn't as dirty.
Yeah, he just has a little speck.
Yeah.
He's a flying car.
He's a flying car? Where's he gonna fly to? He's gonna fly here? Hey.
Look how clean he got.
Ooh. Hey, that worked. And look
Hello,
at,
Diamond.
we've got some ice cubes here left over from our container. Where should we put them? Do you want to throw them in your water table? Do you want to bury them somewhere? What could we do? We could do anything we want. What's a good idea?
Let's bury him in the sandbox.
Do you want to do that?
Yeah.
We could. Or we could bury him in the garden because it's really close. Or we could We could try and see how good of a throw you are and see if you can throw them in your water table.
Now let's throw these ice cubes in there.
Yeah, you want to see if you can aim them?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's see your shot. Whoa, good shot, buddy. Now, do you think if you add ice to that water, do you think it's going to get colder?
In there.
Yeah. 1, 2. Three. And we got all these cars. I wonder how we're going to get these all cleaned up in time. It's still warm? Let's see how good of a throw you can do. Yeah. Nice, buddy. Woo.
There.
Great job. Sometimes cleaning up can be fun.
Broke.
That crane truck broke?
Yeah. But we can fix it with super glue.
Yeah.
We can find the new hook. No? Yeah. Find the new hook.
Yeah. We can fix toys that break, absolutely.
And watch it even scratches.
Yeah, it's a pretty cool crane truck.
I think every one of mine scratches.
Yeah? Cool.
Let's put these 2 cars in to get them all clean.
Oh. Okay.
This one first because he's dirtier.
Okay, the dirtier one's going first.
Yeah, this one goes first.
Okay. I wonder if they can you ever do 2 at a time, or does it have to be 1 car at a time?
1 car.
1 car? Okay.
Get clean.
Okay, nice and clean, but you can't even see them because our water is so murky.
Now this guy can come.
Ivy's just talking in the background. She thinks cars are really cool too. Do you remember when you got this toy, Cash?
Yeah, it was at my birthday party.
Yeah. Was this one of your favorite toys that you got?
Yeah.
And how old did you turn at your birthday party? 4?
Yeah. 4 is my best number yet.
4 is your best number yet?
Yeah. Mom, can you help me get these cars, Will?
I'm not sure if I can. I've never actually worked this very well. How do you do it? Do you have to push this tentacle down to make them fly up?
Yeah.
Maybe they're too heavy.
No, because it's because this thing's stuck like this.
There's something.
It's quite clean. Right, this has to get dirty again.
Are you sure? Because he could just have a rinse in the Kraken. You want him to be dirtier?
Dirty again.
Dirty again, okay. Cash doesn't want him to be clean quite yet. Little Ivy, what are you playing with? Uh-oh, your car fell. I think your little sister's gonna grow up liking Hot Wheels cars just as much as you, just because we play outside all the time. Holy, that time it worked, bud. You fixed it.
This guy could go in the other part of the slime.
Yeah. Let's see if we're lucky and the tentacles start working now for the spray. Is it this guy right here that we push? Oh, our spray is working. Oh, a little bit anyways. Is there water in the top? Yep. Hey, after all that time being in the cold, this guy hardly turned blue. So you know what? I think these cars have a short lifespan unless we just got a dud. But these color changing cars are not holding up. Ooh, bless you. Mm. Are you frustrated?
Doesn't go like that.
It's not working quite right. Okay, well, you know what, bud? How about we say goodbye to our friends? Because
Not yet.
not yet?
Because one more. Willy. No, you.
He's got to show you one more cool thing. Okay.
It's the killer scrub brush.
Oh, the scrub brush. Yeah. Let's see how that real scrub brush works. Nice and clean. Hey, kids, it's just like how we have to have a bath every night. So do these cars.
They always get a color. They always getting dirty.
Yeah.
What? He already wants to get dirty again.
Oh my goodness.
What? He loves getting dirty, I think. To go out and play with your toys and get outside and subscribe to this channel.
That's right. Yeah, kids, I think it's important that every single day, instead of watching TV, you get outside, you play with some fun toys. Even
if you have a sandbox, you can go play down there too.
Yeah, of course. If they have a sandbox, that's a great spot to play. And I hope you enjoyed our Hot Wheels car wash. It's the ultimate car wash. It works pretty well. I think it's one of our favorite toys, although the tentacles need to be unclogged because of that dirt problem. But other than that, it works pretty well. We have a pretty fun time playing with it, don't we?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Okay, well, we're going to keep playing. Do you have a favorite car in here that you want to show the kids before we leave?
Yeah, I love this mini login one.
Oh, you like the little mini guy?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's keep playing.
Yeah.
Okay, bye,
Bye,
kids.
kids.